Mwere. Both they are from Mwere. If it is on the stanchion, quite a good chance here to Busoga. Murray. Heavy ball there from Murray. Down to the hands of the goalkeeper. For the cross, a touch away from Wandiaka. Fight by the goalkeeper not far. And again, just for Mugulusi. Going in across Murray. Takes time. Cross comes away from Nicholas Murray. So very energetic there. To Logono. Cross comes away from Logono's side. Niwamanya. Going in for the corner. Well swung in here. Chance comes away. Pass Congo with the player. Again, Kazindula lays it away. Jerome Kiria with the save from the goal. Again, Kazindula lays it away. Jerome Kiria with the save from the goal. Labante Bitalukton, Walter Ochora. Kaleo again. In the start times Uganda Premier League, Jerome Chiria. Good touch here from the Busoga side. Logono Moses with a chance. Logono has the goalkeeper to shoot, but Logono. You don't give away such chances, Kazindula. Denied by Nicholas Murray. Mugulusi. Good one from Mugulusi. Up it goes. In the start times, Uganda Premier League, Logono. Cross comes in from Logono looking for Niwamanya. Chance of the header! Finally! Beautiful header there from Ndugwa Karim. What a way! What a way of opening the account today here to the JINJA Bulls side. And the JINJA Bulls are Onekilare. Looks down to Ndugwa, goes to the ball and cross comes away from Ndugwa. Martina Prim controls. Martina Prim crosses away. Ibrahim Simba with a chance so far to shoot. And again, Pasco. Trick URA Football Club. Mugulusi with a shot! Down in the back of the net! What a blockbuster from Ibrahim Mugulusi. That's a sweet finish and a perfect way to send Bull FC in the double. Trick URA Football Club. Mugulusi with a shot! in the back of the net. What a blockbuster from Ibrahim Mugulusi. That's a sweet finish and a perfect way to send Bull FC in the double. On Ekilare. Insimbe now. Could he be going in for number 3? The keeper saves. Drin Mukisa. Ngalo. Cross up from Ngalo. Genopala shoots away. Served by the goalkeeper. Sit back to the far right. Onekilare crosses. Bull Football Club are looking for number 3. 6% today against Bull Football Club. Mugulusi. Eda down here just for Simba. Simba again with the rebound.